So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy bonds here on Questrade. So once you guys open up Questrade, you're going to be on the main screen. I want you to go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you guys are on this page, I want you to go down to where it says About Investment Products and press on that. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to where it says Fixed Income and press on that. Once fixed income is selected here, so at the top, for example, it says fixed income products like bonds and guaranteed investment certificates, GICs, pay investors fixed interest or dividends until they reach a maturity date. There's two options you can do this. You can either buy online, so press the link right here to buy it online, or you can buy over the phone by calling the number right here. So you can't actually trade it within the app. You have to either go online and buy it or on the phone. Now there is an alternative to this, which I'll show you right away. So once you're back to the home screen right here, if you go to the bottom left and press on a buy/sell, you can just go to the top and just search up bonds, for example, and you'll see a bunch of different ETFs that are being traded with bonds right here. So I'll just go ahead and find one as an example. .to. I'll just try to find a Canadian traded one. So anyways, I'll just go to this one at the top. So this is an example, the iShares Trust iBonds December 2026 Term Corporate ETF. So you can select an ETF if you want. You can buy it, go to the bottom left, and then go that way with the transaction. So there's two different ways you can do this. You can either go back to the main screen and just call or do it online, or you can buy a bond ETF if you want to do that. So those are different ways on how you guys can buy bonds here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.